Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO M8 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So if you wish to add your Google account, you need to open the settings at first, then find and select Google and mark sign in. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, then use your pattern. And now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. So let me enter it. And as only the email address or phone number along with the password are entered, click on next. Now mark if you'll be using this device or your kiddo, select next. Here you can read all the details. Mark yes, I'm in. Agree if you do agree with all the Google Terms of Service and Google Play Terms of Service, and wait till it's finished. So here it is. Click on accept, and here you can customize the backup if you want to. Obviously you can you don't have to activate it. You can live without backup, but I truly recommend activating it. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.